Purifier is a high-precision instrument. When overhauling the Purifier or replacing its parts, be sure to use genuine parts only. Using non-genuine parts may degrade the long-term performance of the Purifier, cause damage to the self-jector, or compromise human safety. Genuine Mitsubishi vertical shaft and horizontal shaft parts are stamped using a laser marker with the Mitsubishi logo, model number, and part number. This video presentation explains how to maintain and overhaul the bowl opening and closing mechanism and other machinery of the Mitsubishi Self-Jector G-Series, and how to assemble and disassemble the self-jector's vertical shaft, upper bearing housing, horizontal shaft, and gear pump. Before starting the assembly and disassembly processes, read the user's manual carefully, including inspection points and inspection methods, so that you can perform all procedures reliably and efficiently. Before starting disassembly, use a safety joint or motor fan to make sure that all equipment is completely stopped. Perform disassembly in the following order. First, remove the sludge cover, then release the horizontal shaft, and then release the vertical shaft.